Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you like the background picture. That's a photograph I took in Cuba earlier on this year. This video is about why my Apple mouse doesn't seem to work properly with my Bluetooth device. First you go down here and type in Device Manager. Device Manager, there it is. So click on Device Manager, and when it opens up, what you need to do is go into your Bluetooth devices, which is just here. My one's a Broadcom Bluetooth device, yours could be anything else. Left click on it, then right click on it and go into Properties. Once into your Properties, go to Power Management, and here allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. It's normally checked just like that. After a while, sometimes the Bluetooth device will switch off, your mouse will stop working. I found by unchecking it just like that, clicking OK, clicking save, the mouse seems to work fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.